Hey y'all, it's your girl Sharaerae and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? So today I'm going to be reviewing TGIN leave-in conditioner. Thank God it's natural. Yeah. So yeah, I gotta do this photo shoot thing for my photography class. So about to do that after this. I've been using this stuff for like a week now. I like it, but I want y'all to see it. So y'all been saying I should section my hair in more parts. So I'm gonna do that too. I'm starting in the back. Okay, so this is how I've been doing it. I just take like little sections in the back and then I'll like wet that thing up. So we're gonna drench it because I'm trying to start moisturizing my hair every day, because when I leave it in my bonnet, it's just all dry and stuff. But I don't go anywhere, so that's why I don't do it every day. But I need to start doing it because it be so dry. I want to get some braids. I want some knotless braids. Yup. So this is what it's looking like. Got it all drenched and stuff. And I'm gonna come back when it's dry so y'all can see. Probably gonna be in a different shirt because I'm about to take these pictures. My wardrobe so loud. So I'll be back. Okay, so this is how they turn out. What? Yeah, I think it looks better when I put it in the smaller parts. It's nice and soft too.